Man, what is going on, YouTube? It is Hemi Boy, aka Derek, bringing you another video. Man, today in this video, I'm finna be installing my rear diffuser as well as my Nova Stretch front bra. Or, you know, I'm probably not gonna ride with it, you know what I'm saying. But I'm gonna be installing that today. So yeah, right now I'm just getting off work, of course, again, you know, off one grind onto another grind. You know, it don't stop. You know, we trying to go up all 2021, you know what I'm saying, road to 500 subscribers. So if you're watching this right now, go ahead already, click that subscribe button, and stick around for the video, man, because it's gonna be a banger, a lit video. So let me go ahead and give y'all this nice little, hold on, let me open this door for y'all. Kind of give y'all this nice little cold start. You know, I ain't started it in a while, so it's pretty warm out here, so it ain't really a cold start. So, but y'all get the gist, you know what I'm saying. But let me go ahead and get to where I'm going, and I'm gonna pick up the video. All right, guys, I'm back home right now. Let me see if I got shit all over my mouth. You know, I just ate some barbecue. But yeah, man, we at the house right now. I'm getting ready to install my latest project up there. Make sure this mother's zoomed all the way up. Get ready to install my latest project, that rear diffuser. Now, from what I'm understanding, is you could probably be like, man, Derek, you do all this stuff to your car, you know what the fuck you be doing. Hell no, I'll be winging it most of the time, you know what I'm saying? So, you might ask me right now, Derek, do you know how to put this rear diffuser though? No, I do not. But I'm finna find out. But from my understanding, I watched a couple videos. It's some 7mm something, and then 2 push pins at the end of each, and it should just pop right off. So, with that being said, without further ado, let's get the tube. I got some under here, and as you see, you got 1, 2, another one. Let me get a light over there. Right there. 2, 3. I just loosened one. 4. It's 4 7mm bolts, and then these 2 push pins at the edge, which should make it easy to release. So let me go ahead and set it up, and I'll let y'all watch me undo it. Alright, y'all, so I got all the stuff unbolted, and as you see, it's kind of just, you know, loose. Make sure when you do this, if you like sitting under the car, you like jiggle this part right here, because there was a lot of rocks, as you see right there, and like gravel that just came from underneath that thing. I don't know why it's under there, but that's just what it does, I guess. After you got all those out, it's pretty much just you popping it up. Just like so. Don't be scared to yank, it ain't gonna break nothing. Or if it does break something, you got the new one right there anyway. Here you see it. Garbage. Look how ugly under there. Now when you get the new rear, I forget what it's called, diffuser, make sure you got the right, well, I wouldn't say right one, but be sure you have pre-drill holes already, because if you don't, you're gonna have to make the holes yourself anyways. because some of them come, they're not all the way pre-drilled. You got drill the spots. So just to be safe, make sure you got holes back there. So because you're gonna have to drill them in yourself if you don't, or else just return it and get one that's already drilled if you don't want to do all that. But now you just take this one. Alright guys, so I got some bad news. This is the wrong diffuser. I got sent the one for the RTs, or the regular body, not the Scatpack, but just the older generation, like kind of, you know, with the plastic tips or whatever. I'm not sure if it was, well, the picture was kind of misleading because it showed it on like a Scatpack, so it was kind of like, oh man, maybe I thought this was the one, but it wasn't. So I'm gonna have to put the stock one back on and get another one, of course. But that kind of like bummed me out, you know, but shit happens. So I'm gonna put that one on hold. I'm gonna just go ahead and install this front lip, because you see I just washed the car yesterday and it's got bugs. Good Lord. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it, and I'll get back with y'all in a minute. Alright guys, so even though I'm bummed about the rear diffuser, I was really hoping to get that mug on today, but you know, things happen. We all make mistakes. Not saying it was me or the company, but you know, it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna dwell on it. But I went ahead and installed the Nova Stretch bumper cover thingy, and I gotta say it looks alright. You see it stretches right over the splitter, so you have plenty of room if you have a splitter to put one of these on, just to protect the front. And I can tell you right now, I haven't driven with it, but I got a feeling it's gonna make a hell of a lot of difference when I do drive with it, because I usually, after I wash it, I make it home, or probably the next day when I get off work, I got bugs all over the front of the car. So this is about where the bugs are anyways, so I think it'll do a lot of good. One thing I wish I would have did was got the one with the mirror caps too, but I don't know if you can buy those separate or not, so maybe. But this is gonna do me a lot of good going to St. Louis, especially with rock chips and bugs, because I don't want to have to deep clean the front end. I do need to get it nice and detailed. I'll probably do that Friday before we leave out. Go take it and get it like buffed or something Friday morning. Get it nice and detailed before we go, so that way when we get there I don't have to, you know, do too much. Just probably wipe it down a little bit, go through a car wash or something. But yeah, this is how it looks, guys. So,
You're not putting that on, are you?
what, that?
I wouldn't do it.
Alright, y'all, so my neighbor just showed me one of his cars. It's a pretty nice car. I think it's a Trailblazer or something. But anyways, let me get back to the video. Yeah, I don't even know where I left off, but it's a pretty easy install. All you gotta do is take, there's two clips. There's gonna be a push pin right here, there's gonna be a push pin right here. Take those out, and then they have a little bracket that you just slide behind here, and then the button it comes is just a little Phillips head screw. You screw it in there like that, and then this is just the button clipper. Just clip it right in, and you good to go. Let me show you a full view. full view of it, just like that. And there you go. Alright guys, I'm in my garage right now. That's gonna be it for today's video. Let me know what you think about the Nova Stretch front bumper cover or whatever. It had some unfortunate events. I couldn't put the rear diffuser on because it was the wrong one. Not sure if the picture on the site, I double checked it, it was deceiving. It showed the Scatpack bumper, rear bumper. So it was kind of, you know, my fault, you know, but the picture was kind of deceiving, so I ordered the wrong one. But that's okay. I started my return or whatever, and I already ordered the new one. This one, unfortunately they didn't have any gloss black ones anymore, so I had to get like the satin matte black, which is okay. So I can probably get it painted, or it's not, you know, that big of a deal. So yeah, y'all, it didn't really go my way the way I wanted it to. So I'm gonna end this video right here. Hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you leave a comment what you think. Make sure you also hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.